Hello techies, this is CompTIA Lab 4.3.9 Lab and we're going to troubleshoot GPU. So these are the tasks that we have in this video. So let's see. You work at a computer repair store. A customer has brought in their PC. They said that the computer turns on but they can't get it to display on the monitor. So in this lab, your task is to diagnose the problem and implement a fix so that the computer displays properly. All right, so this is pretty much straightforward. One of the first things you have to do is to go into your PC and try to turn it on. The computer is now on, but the monitor is not showing output from the computer. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is to turn the back of the computer and access the signal cable, the display signal cable. And the first things first, let's turn the computer off while you do any repair. It is very, very important so as not to damage the motherboard or get shocked. Okay, let's go into the motherboard of this PC and let's see what we have. This is the display card here. Be sure that this display card is okay. Let us see. There is no power on this particular graphics card, and it has to be powered on. So actually, some graphics card out there do not require external power, additional power. So once you plug it in, the motherboard, the slot in which you plug it in supplies power for it. But some high definition graphics card require you to use extra power from the power supply unit to power on the graphics card, and that is the case right here. So now that we've powered on the graphics card, let's ensure that this is connected, the signal cable is duly connected to the back of the monitor. Okay, so you can see that the display cable is duly connected to the back of the monitor. So let us try to power on this computer once more and see what happens. So let's go back into the front, ensure that you've turned on your power supply. So let's turn this on and see what happens. Okay, so we're waiting for this to load. And the computer is actually booting the way it ought to. Alright, so this has booted into Windows. So let us go into device manager and go into the not network. We go into the monitors. Let's go into the display adapter. Let's go into the display adapters, and this is right. So we'll go ahead and score lab and see how we do. All right, so everything's for watching. I wish you good luck in your educational pursuit, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.